it's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, I slide with me if you feel.
Iguazu Falls, here we go. Let's have some fun today. This is literally, if you ask me, will you recommend me a place to go? This is a spot. It's like, it's known about, but I don't hear people talking about it a lot. This place is magical. Let's go. All right, so we got our train ride at 1:30, so we're gonna go hit the green trail. They say it's 90 minutes. Well, actually, no, the green trail to the blue trail. The blue trail is supposed to be 90 minutes, but I'll walk fast. We're gonna crush this. So we're starting Circuit Superior, the blue trail. They told me it was 90 minutes, but on the map it said 2 hours. So we're just gonna try to crush it, enjoy the day, not rush it, enjoy all these freaking magical waterfalls, but keep moving, keep moving. Let's see if we can do everything. I don't know if you can hear that, but you can hear the rumblings. Oh, there it is. You can see the first waterfall. It's freaking nuts. Check it out. It's so good. So much more to see. Just getting started. Crazy thing, last time I was here, I know that there were some waterfalls that you could like literally walk right under, and then they would come right, you'd be like right at the crest where it falls off, but this one looks pretty dried up right now, so maybe there's a few more. All right, so I did the first trail, Superior, in like 30 minutes, but I was moving. I was like zigging in and out of people to go get to the spot. So I'm gonna see if I can do the inferior trail right now. I got 45 minutes till the next train, so hopefully I can get there and get back. So high, so high. Magical day, Iguazu Falls. Just did that one section of the lower trail. I'm gonna run back, catch the train to El Diablo, and I'll come finish the lower trail after. I ran to the train. I think I made it, but maybe it left already. Hope I made it. How sick is this? How sick is this? Don't you love the way they made these bridges? Like literally cutting right through the forest, right through a lake to get to El Diablo. Can you hear it? Sick. The spray is going in my face. It's so awesome. Beautiful Iguazu. Reporting live from El Diablo. What a freaking magical day. What a magical freaking day. Look at those clouds. Epic. Epic. tough to walk away from that. You could stay there all freaking day. We got to run back to go finish the lower run and get this train. There's like a train in about 20 minutes, so we're off. I got myself a terrible empanada. Have some pride, Iguazu. Have some pride. This thing's, look at it, it's trash. Another soothing train ride. Let's go hit the rest of the lower falls. Beautiful waterfall. So this is one of my favorite parts of Iguazu Falls, is you get up right next to the waterfall. The only thing is, if you look at the falls today, it seems like maybe it's dry season. There's not as much water. Last time I was here, the water was like pumping off of that. It was nuts. Let's get a little closer. All right, time to get out of here. Gotta walk out of the lower end to the mid-central station. Take the train out. When you get there, take the bus back. But this hill, I've already done it once. It's brutal. So the bus just dropped me off and I got myself a smoothie. This thing's so good. I don't even know the name of it. I just pointed at a thing that said banana. It's got some mint in it. A little refreshing dessert, smoothie, recharger. What an awesome day. Tomorrow, Brazil. Let's go.
Like, ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal.